Today I'll be running you through how to automate your package selection a bit more on the Webship Plus platform. So a lot of our clients will just use customer packaging. This is the right selection for 80% of what you're doing. This is just any kind of carton or package that you have, and then you're just entering manually your dimensions and weight. If you're doing satchels, it's important that you select a satchel because it'll give you accurate pricing. And then the same thing, if you're doing a pallet, it's very important that you select pallet because it'll give you a wider selection of carriers and services as well as accurate pricing. If you're using the same kind of packaging all the time, you can set it up so you can select that within the platform so it will automate for you. So if you come down here, you can see we've got box A. If you select that, it'll come up with a weight and dimensions. So the way that you do this is you go to settings, then you select package type, add entry, name it whatever you like. Then you select package, put in the dimensions. If the weight is always the same time, you can enter the weight or you can just leave it. In this instance, I'll leave it, create. So you can see it's popped up there now. If I go back to quick quote, you'll actually notice that it hasn't popped up there. So the reason is it hasn't been mapped. So go back to my settings, go back to package type, there it is there. I'm going to map it. You can make it so it only shows for certain carriers. In this instance, I want it to show for all carriers. Now I push save. So if I go back now, you can see it's there. I click on it and then it populates for me. This will also work in the ship section. So once you've selected all the carriers and you know what you want to do, you can also go here and select package type as well.